Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about a woodpecker. A woodpecker used to live in a hole of a tree. He went out of his hole only for a while. A snake was watching him. As soon as he went out of the hole, the snake went out of his hole. Entered the hole. He knew that the woodpecker was not in his hole, and the snake also knew that there are small children of woodpeckers in the hole of the tree. There were children of woodpeckers in the hole of a tree. When a snake came to know that there are children of woodpeckers in the hole of the tree, he quietly entered the hole. At that time the woodpecker was not in the hole. The woodpecker fought with the snake, but the snake killed his children. And the woodpecker could not do anything. He was repeatedly attacking the snake with his beak, yet the snake ate his children.